Artificial intelligence is transforming how we approach so many tasks, and resume building is no exception. By using AI, you can create a resume that's not only well organized and visually appealing but also tailored specifically to the job you're applying for. Imagine uploading a job description, and within seconds, getting a resume that's perfectly aligned with what employers are looking for. AI can help you highlight the right skills, use the right keywords, and even suggest improvements to make your experience stand out. Some of the biggest advantages of using AI for your resume include saving time, ensuring your resume is ATS compatible, and getting personalized recommendations based on the latest job market trends. And it can all be customized to the industry you're targeting. Now, this is where I want to introduce you to something truly special, our AI-powered resume builder, CVByAI. We've taken everything that's great about AI and applied it to resume building, making it easier than ever for you to create a professional, tailored resume in minutes. First, go to CVByAI.com and log in. Once you're in, choose a resume template that suits your style. Next, enter your career information, which could be your current resume, the job description of the position you're aiming for, or a combination of both. You can even input all your relevant details in bulk to help the AI create the best possible resume for you. After entering your information, click on Write the Resume. The AI will then generate a resume tailored to your input. You can make adjustments by deleting or adding information until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with the content, click on Generate the Resume. And that's it. Your professional resume is now ready, generated quickly and effortlessly. If you're not completely satisfied, you can always tweak the text and regenerate your resume until it's perfect. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on career success. See you in the next video.